If you've forgotten your Revolut password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to proceed with the password reset. Step 2. Go to the login screen. On the app's home screen, tap on the login button. This will take you to the login screen where you can enter your credentials. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link and tap on it. This option will guide you through the password recovery process. Step 4. Enter your email or phone number. You will be prompted to enter the email address or phone number associated with your Revolut account. Input the correct information and submit the request. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email or SMS. Check your email or SMS for a message from Revolut containing a password reset link. Click the link and follow the instructions to create a new password. Once you've successfully reset your password, you can log back into your Revolut account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Revolut's customer support for further assistance.